On today's video, we're going to be cooking some chicken, some grilled chicken, okay? And I'm just going to start by reading the label, okay? Per serving, it's 4 ounces or 112 grams. And then in that serving, you have 140 calories, 4 grams of fat, so it's good. Then 25 grams of protein. It's a good protein. If you know anything about like bodybuilders or anything, they could eat a lot of chicken. Okay, so I'm just gonna get it started by cutting it open. All right, since I got it cut open, make sure you're safe. If you're using a sharp knife, like I am. Okay, this is when you season it. Okay, so I like to use is pepper, a little bit of salt. Okay, a little bit of garlic powder. Okay. Then I like to use chili powder, just kind of give it that spice, okay? So what I do is pour it in my hand, okay? And kind of just pinch it around, okay? Just pinch it around, pour the rest of it, okay? Then you'll repeat for the rest of the seasonings. As you saw, got that done, okay? And my family don't have any Dales right now. Okay, I like to use a little bit of Dales, just kind of getting that moisture. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit of A1 sauce. You do not want to use a lot of it, but you want to spread it around, kind of rub it in the chicken a little bit, just to give it an extra flavor. Okay. Then after that's done, you just take it to the grill. Okay, and then I'll pick it up then. All right, we're at the grill now. You can see it's kind of close to 350. That's about where we want it. Okay. We got our chicken. Okay. Just gonna go ahead and put them on, okay? So I put mine right in the middle. Okay, that way they all cook the same temp. As you see, I added a little bells in there after I went to the store and got some. Okay. One other thing, make sure they're laying kind of flat on there so it cooks even. Okay. After 5-6 minutes, we're gonna flip the chicken. Okay. Looks pretty good. Looks very good. Oh yeah. I think the chicken would be done. So we're gonna get the chicken out. Okay. That's got a plate. You can use anything. Okay. Look at the way those look. A little piece. But look at that. Okay.
That looks great.